Dear students, today is 10th April 2021. The topic is quadratic equation and the exercise is 1.1. The class is metric, means 10th class. And exercise 1.1 we are starting. This is question number 1 where you have to solve the equations by factorization method. So this is the easiest of all. Learning it is also very easy. First of all, the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant. 4 ones are 4. So the product should be equal to plus 4, keeping in view the signs plus and plus 4. In fact, when we add the same two digits, the sum should be equal to the midterm, the coefficient of x, which is 5. So we can say if it is 4 ones are 4 and 4 plus 1, the same two digits, when we add it qualify the first and second both conditions. So this 5x, actually it is x, so x will be accompanied with these two. So the first term of this equation, which is x square, and the last term of this equation, which is 4, should be as it is. Instead of 5x, we will replace it with 4x plus 1x. So I am writing here 4x plus 1x. So from the first two, this is also plus 4x. Okay, from the first two we got x common. Here 1x will left. X is common, so 4 will be left here. Nothing is common, 1 is always common. So x plus 4 as it is. Now we got these two terms. In these two terms, x plus 4 and x plus 4 is again common. So we will write it as the common, and the leftover is x plus 1 on this side equal to 0. So when x plus 4 equal to 0, x and plus 4 reciprocal, when it go to the other side, will become minus 4. So this is one root of this equation, and we have x plus 1 equal to 0, and this plus 1 reciprocal on the other side is minus 1. So this equation have two roots, that is minus 4 and minus 1. That's the solution. So to solve this one equation through factorization, we need to take square of this, as we have a formula a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So likewise we will open, this is a and this is minus b whole square. So a square means x square plus b square, b is 3 here, 3 square minus 2, a is x and b is 3, that is equal to 4. Okay, so x square plus 9, 3 3s are 9, minus 2 3s are 6x plus 4 on the other side, bringing it to this side, will become minus 4 equal to 0. So x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 4 become plus 5 equal to 0. Again midterm splitter, we will split this midterm. The product should be equal to the product of coefficient of x square and the constant, 5 ones are 5, and the sum should be equal to of the same two numbers here also should be equal to minus 6. So always keep in mind the signs of the equation. So we can say 5 ones are 5, 3 2 and this is a prime number, so we can say 5 ones are 5. So 5 and 1 becomes 6, but we need negative 6. So we need to put minus sign here. So this become minus minus plus, 5 ones are 5, condition fulfilled. The second condition is minus 5 plus minus minus 1, so become minus 6. X 6 is accompanied with x. X will be here, so is here. As I told you, the first term and the last term as it is, and minus 6x will be replaced with minus 1x and minus 5x. So from the first two taking common, from the last two as well, x is common between the two. So x minus 1, nothing is left, means 1 is left. So because when we take this negative sign, it will alter or change both this sign afterwards, and common is 5. So this was minus will become plus, 5 is taken common, x is left, and plus will become minus because of this, minus minus plus. So 5 is taken common, 5 ones are 5. Now between these two terms, we have again x minus 1 common, so take common. And what is left? We are left with x minus 5. So equal to 0. Why it is equal to 0? Either this was 0 multiplied with this number, make it 0, or this x minus 5 was 0 multiplied with x minus 1, make it 0. So what do? We will write x minus 1 here and x minus 5, either this is 0. So x minus 1 reciprocal become 1 and minus 5 reciprocal become 5. X have two roots 1 or 5. This equation have two roots 1 and 5. These are the values of x. So the third one part we really need to do is, students get irritated seeing this type of complex equation. So only they were supposed to be multiplying this 3 into the bracket so that it splits into 3x square minus 3, and here 4 will multiply. The distributive law is applied here, which is 4x plus 4, bringing everything here to this side. Plus 4x will become minus 4x, minus 3 is already there, plus 4 reciprocal is minus 4 equal to 0. So 3x square minus 4x and minus 3 and minus 4 become minus 7 equal to 0. So again we have to, now it is in general format of a quadratic equation, which says ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general format of a quadratic equation. Now it is simply in that, now we have to factorize. Applying factorization, as I told you, midterm breaker. So multiplies and plus minus, minus 7 threes are 21. Adding the same two numbers will result in minus 4. So 7 threes are 21, and 7 minus 3 will become, or minus 7 plus 3 will become negative 4. So the bigger one sign should be negative, so the leftover is of negative. Now minus 4 was having x with it, this will having x, this will also. Writing the two term, the first and the last term as it is, instead of minus 4x we will write plus 3x and minus 7x. Common here is 3x. What is left? 1x is left, plus 3x, 1s are 3x, the same. When we take a negative sign, as in the previous question I told you, it will alter or change both the sign coming after. 7 is also common, so minus minus plus and x will be left. Okay, this minus will become also plus because minus plus minus. 7 is common, so 1 is there. What is common here? X plus 1, x plus 1, take x plus 1 is a common. What is left over? 3x minus 7, that equal to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0, or 3x minus 7 equal to 0. X will become plus 1 will become minus 1 here. 3x equal to plus 7. Dividing both sides by 3, this will cancel off. X value is 7 by 3, or we can say 2 whole 1 by 3. Okay, so x, this have two values, minus 1 and 2 whole 1 by 3, or these can be called the roots of this equation. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my channel and this video.